Let me tell you about the time my buddy Todd thought he could beat a grandpa car in his tuned-up Camaro. He revved it like a caffeinated lawnmower, took off with tire smoke and attitude, and got gapped by what looked like your uncle's tax return grocery getter. That grandpa car? A 1966 Plymouth Satellite. And under that quiet hood, a fire-breathing 426 Hemi V8 that doesn't whisper, it growls like it wants to slap physics in the face. Now, before we peel any further rubber, hit that subscribe button and like this video, unless you enjoy losing drag races to vintage-looking boxy beasts. So here's the deal. The 1966 Plymouth Satellite may look like it should be parked at a shuffleboard tournament, but it's hiding the legendary 426 cubic inch, 7.0-liter Hemi V8 under the hood, a factory original, numbers-matching engine rated at 425 horsepower, 317 kilowatts. It's one of just 503 units built with this Hemi and a 4-speed manual gearbox. And I think that's what I like the most. It's not just rare, it's historic metal. This black-on-black beauty sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in under 7 seconds, and finishes the quarter mile in under 14. That's not just quick for the 60s. That's fast enough to ruin your neighbor's Tesla dreams. This particular Hemi was rebuilt by a specialist, and the rest of the car? Restored to concours standards. With under 56,000 miles, 90,123 kilometers on the odometer. The restoration wasn't even necessary, but the owner wanted it showroom perfect. That's like Botox on a bodybuilder, already intimidating, just smoother. The price? $117,000, 108,000 euros, which, let's face it, is a steal, considering comparable models go over $140K. If I had $1 for every time I saw a 1966 Satellite in this condition, I'd have $1, because that's how rare this setup is. So if you want a car that looks like it files taxes, but launches like it robs banks, the link's under the video. And if you like what we do, showing you sleeper monsters that eat sports cars for breakfast, become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's right. Less than your weird friend's gas station sushi. Sponsorship link is in the description under the video, folks.